In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ninja form in Elementor, giving you a simple yet powerful way to create forms on your WordPress site. By following this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate forms, whether you're collecting contact information, feedback, or anything else. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to ensure that you have the Ninja Forms plugin installed on your WordPress site. You can do this by heading over to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. The Ninja Forms plugin is a highly recommended tool for creating forms with plenty of flexibility. Once installed, you're ready to create your form. Navigate to Ninja Forms in your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can design your form with the elements you need, be it simple text fields or more complex components. Once you've crafted your perfect form within Ninja Forms, you'll need to make note of the shortcode associated with it. You can find this by going to the dashboard under Ninja Forms. The shortcode will look something like this: Ninja Form ID 1. This little snippet is essential, as it allows you to embed your form anywhere on your site. Now, with the shortcode in hand, it's time to switch over to Elementor. Open up the page where you want to include your new form. Ensure you're in the Elementor editor, which is the user-friendly interface that allows for drag-and-drop building of your web pages. It's in this environment that you'll incorporate the Ninja form. Within Elementor, look for the shortcode widget, a handy tool located under the General section. Simply drag this widget onto your page where you'd like your form to appear. It's as easy as dropping it right into position. Once the shortcode widget is on your canvas, you'll see a box where you can paste that Ninja Forms shortcode you copied earlier. Carefully paste it into this box. This is the connection that will display your form on the web page. After you've placed your shortcode, take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Click Apply to set the changes in motion. Remember, applying your changes is critical before you move to the finalizing step. Finally, you'll need to click either Update if you're modifying an existing page, or Publish if it's a new page you're working on. To ensure everything is set up perfectly, it's always a good idea to preview the page. You can do this by clicking the eye icon, which enables you to see the page as it will appear live. It's worth noting that the form might not display directly in the Elementor editor canvas, but rest assured, it will load beautifully on the live version of your site. And there you have it, a fully integrated Ninja form ready to bring interactivity and functionality to your website.